This is on the local system, on my local system here, you can see this is the local image. So when when I say docker run -p, which is the parameter for port, and then this, so my Docker image will run and the container will start. As soon as it is start, you can see the Streamlit application is now running. So when I click on this local host, you will see the Streamlit application. Now here you can put your OpenAI key. Okay. Now, as I told you, you can add multiple LLM providers. It is up to you. I'm just showing you one simple provider, OpenAI, and this is your agent. So here you can just put a question. So for example, if you ask a question, explain the importance of mitochondria. So when you do this, here what's going to happen is, as I told you, we have got two agents at the back end. One is computer science research agent and another one is biological research agent. So based on the prompt that I have given, it will run the guardrail and from there handoff will happen. OpenAI Agent SDK has this facility of handoff, agent handoff. So it will choose which is the best agent to deal with this, right? So here you see it has chosen an agent and it has given me the answer, right? But then the important part is, everybody, that when you go on your OpenAI dashboard, here you can see the log. Since we have enabled tracing over here, you can see we have enabled the tracing as per the API key. So here you can see two sections will come. So the very first thing over here is check if the user is asking about research, explain the importance of mitochondria. Once this is there, here you can see that the answer, the output has come like this.